If it's from YouTube, what would YouTube want to send us? I don't know. You see?
This video is really good. Too bad they're getting age restricted.
Hey, Sonic?
Yeah.
Can I borrow $500?
For? No, I would not buy that for you.
Fine, I'll find a way to get the money myself.
Good. Redbird, I'm sorry that I was so harsh on you. It's just that I don't have the money. Redbird, that's not what I meant.
This is the only way to get money around here in this house. Can we do this again tomorrow?
You need to get like a normal job, like work at Burger King or McDonald's or a store, you know, like just a normal job, like a jewelry store or something.
Oh, why'd they have to stop? It was just getting good.
Come on, Woody, you're better than this.
Okay, I'll go home, but we're doing this again tomorrow. Same time, same place.
Alright, finally, it's time to get you a real job.
Welcome to McDonald's. My name is Red. How may I help you today?
I want 4 big bags of catnip.
Sir, we serve food here. Drug dealer's right across the street. Oh, one more customer and I can go home.
Alright, man, I want like 2 Big Macs, so chicken sandwiches, chicken tenders, chicken nuggets, 2 big large drinks, and everything, man.
I cannot willingly give you diabetes. Come on.
But man, I'm so loco.
You're gonna get type 1 diabetes.
Alright, man.
You can still order, just not like the whole store.
Alright, here's your pay for the day.
Oh, thank God. It seemed like this day was never gonna end. Okay, well, I'm gonna go home.
So, I'm gonna be trying. Calm down, Harambe. You need to calm down right now. Because I swear to God.
Sonic!
What? Hold on. I'm trying to hold on, Harambe.
I got $50!
Alright, now you can pay the rent that you've owed me for like 4 months. Or you can get your...
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the second option. Okay.
Hey, bruh.
Hi.
What you looking for?
As much as you can get me with that.
Okay, I'll hook you up. Alright, I'll see what I can get you. Okay, here's what I can give you.
That's a lot. Thanks.
No problem, bruh. Come back.
I think this is sugar. Is this sugar? No! 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 You stupid dog! That's mine! No! Oh, come on! That was supposed to be mine!
Oh, I gotta call Red. The ball's about to drop.
Oh, you stupid dog. Hate dogs. Man, wish there were none left on... Oh, that's my phone. I should go answer it. Hello?
Hey, Red, hurry up. The ball's about to drop.
Oh, I'm late. Happy 2018.
Hey, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. We would like you to check out David the Pro Gamer McCoy. Yeah. His channel's pretty good, and turns out we're gonna start making some money after New Year's because it's not 500 we need for ads, but 200 actually. So after New Year's, we're gonna hopefully start making some money from ads.
Yeah, so I just wanted to have a quick chat with you guys. Save SML, please. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.